Hello, Science Center of Iowa fans. We want to keep your science skills sharp during this time of coronavirus social distancing, so our team has assembled some of our favorite experiments and demonstrations for your pleasure.
We're going to do a type of combustion reaction today using a type of fuel called methane gas. This is a type of gas that you have likely used before to warm your homes, to grill things out, to perhaps make things on the stove as well. These bubbles are no ordinary bubbles, like the bubbles you perhaps make with your face. These bubbles have that special methane gas inside of them. And I'm going to be holding these bubbles while we light them on fire. But first, in order to keep my hands safe, I'm going to put a glove on. A glove made out of water. Now, why will this be so useful? Water has an extremely high heat capacity. That means it takes a lot of energy in order to actually significantly increase the temperature of water. So this should significantly protect my hand. I also wiped the bottom of my hand there so that those bubbles that we light on fire, that they don't burn the bottom of my hand. So let's go ahead and light these bubbles in my hand on fire. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Wow. Pretty cool, right?